Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a set of speakers. Let's get right into it.
These are the Ascend Acoustics Sierra LX bookshelf speakers. The speakers have been packaged well with a good amount of protection, each one wrapped in a cloth bag, and they came with a set of Q plugs. You can buy the speakers for around $1,500 in 4 colors, whichever one fits your liking. These speakers come with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, a 7-year warranty, and are designed and built in the United States. Keep in mind that they are heavy. The speakers' cabinets are made out of laminated solid bamboo, a great quality material. These speakers' color is satin espresso, which is like a dark brown color. These black speakers are 20 years old and will be replaced by the new speakers. We use these speakers to play music and watch TV, and the audio from the speakers are loud and clear. Here is some music played through the new speakers.
You're feeling nervous, aren't you, boy? With your quiet voice and impeccable style. Don't ever let them steal. They can kick dirt एक दिल है, एक जान है, दोनों तुझ पे, दोनों तुझ पे कुर्बान है। एक मैं हूँ
Hope you had a great time enjoying this video. Please share with friends and family. Bye and see you in the next one.